Hi all. We are in touch with you System.Guru.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. If you are interested, you can pause the video. We suggest that you take a closer look at all the indicators of the corporation under study. Now let's analyze the company's current fundamental indicators. Fiverr International Ltd, ticker FVRR. This review is based on data as of August 6, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets Corporation Fiverr International Ltd belongs to the subcategory. The Internet, 59 organizations participate in the comparison. Look for order solutions at the end of this video. The overall result for the company in question is as follows: 2.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 2.5 points. If you look very broadly, within the framework of the US market in general, you can see that the average rating for the stock market as a whole is 1.7 points, against a score of 2.5 points for Fiverr International. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Fiverr International Ltd and subcategory companies, we will see that in 12 months the shares Fiverr International Ltd showed a change of minus 6.9%. 29.5% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Fiverr International Ltd valued at $0.8 billion, with a capitalization of the subcategory of $11,008 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.4 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $1,089 billion. By comparing the market and book value shares, we can see the following. Occupied share Fiverr International Ltd in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 0.007%. Book value capitalization is 0.037%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under study has financial liabilities of $0.457 billion. Financial liabilities to book value amount to 114% of equity. Assessment of the company's level of financial obligations, bad, minus 1 point. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 44.2, with an average for the subcategory of 29.7. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Profits for the last 12 months were $18 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $103 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 1.9. Average for the subcategory is 6.8. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $420 million. Revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $760 million. Assessment of the expected future sales volume indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The sales margin is 4.3%, with an average for the subcategory of 22.9%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.034%. This is 386% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $1,049,000. And in the subcategory, there are $4,868,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's profit per employee is $23,800. With an average in the subcategory, $163,700. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's sales volume per employee is $550,000. Subcategory, $715,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee compared to indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 11.9%, with an average for the subcategory of 1%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 17% for the company Fiverr International Ltd. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 59%. The company's current share price is approximately $21.70. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $32.57. Let's go to the order table. It is available. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made this season by the stock evaluation information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the company's share valuation results, Fiverr International Information System for Stock Evaluation GURU.Markets, a decision is made. Open a trade for growth at a price of $21.69. The order is opened because the company has a relatively good rating and price movement. The organization's assessment was made based on the assessment methods, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 28.07. Stop loss is set at 15.31. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order closes automatically at the end of exchange trading on September 5, 2025. Or on the last trading day before that date. Ticker, OPEN, is a countervailing sell order. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on the channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you very much to the public for watching this video and for using the information and reference system GURU.Markets.